Hey guys, how to trade on Kraken Pro. To trade on Kraken Pro, first select your desired desired currency pair. All right. So in my case, I'm gonna use spot in margin. Let's say I'm gonna use BTC and USDT. All right, and use the order form to specify a buy or sell section. So you can see right here, limit. You can press it. You can choose trading stop, a market, stop loss limit, whatever, right? Buying or selling. Now, choose an order type like market limit and enter the amount. Okay, you can use margin if you want, to borrow some money. In my case, I don't want to, but enter the amount in USD. Okay. And for more complex traders or for more complex trades, you can use margin or derivatives by enabling the feature in the order form in managing collateral, right? And basically hit buy or sell, right? But before you execute the trade, make sure to take profit and stop loss to stop the bleeding, or also take the profit from the top if you profit from that trade. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and please be aware this is not a financial advice. Study the market before you execute any trade, buying or selling. See you in the next one.